Good day, my name is Maribel, 27 years old, married with one child. I am secondary level graduate at Santa Lucia Catholic School here in the Philippines. I worked before here in the Philippines as a helper, serving a family of three. I took care of the 4 years old son, cleaning the house, cooking, and other household work from March 2023 to April 2025. That was my first experience as a helper, and I completed my 2 years contract. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and willing to learn new things to meet the needs of my employer. And now I am ready to meet and work with my new employer. And if you choose me, I will do my best to well deserve as your helper and to be a part of your family. Again, I am Marvel. Thank you and have a good day.